Hey Mark, you look nervous again.
Yeah, I am.
What happened this time?
Today was my first day at work.
Oh, that's a big day.
Very big.
So, how was it?
Honestly, very stressful.
Oh no, why?
I didn't know what to say to anyone.
Really?
Yeah, people were talking to me,
Okay.
and I didn't know how to respond.
That's very common.
Yeah, I just smiled and said nothing.
That sounds awkward.
Very awkward.
Okay, let's stop right here. Imagine you are Mark. It's your first day. You meet your coworkers. What do you say?
I don't know.
That's normal. So here's the key. Keep it simple.
Okay.
Just say this. Hi, I'm Mark.
Oh, hi, I'm Mark.
Perfect. That's enough.
Really?
Yes, simple is good. Now let's add one more sentence. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now combine it.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. That is exactly what you should say.
That feels much better.
Yes, simple, clear, friendly. Now let's go back to your situation. You meet a coworker. What do you say?
Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That is real-life English. Now let's make it more natural.
Okay.
Add a small pause. Listen. Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That sounds real.
Yeah, I feel more relaxed.
Good. Now another situation.
Okay.
Someone asks you, "Is this your first day?"
Oh.
What do you say? Just say this. Yes, it's my first day.
Oh. Yes, it's my first day.
Perfect. Very natural. Now let's build a full situation.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first day?
Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. That is real-life English. But let's continue your first day.
Okay.
After you met your coworkers,
Yes?
your manager gave you a task.
Oh.
What happened?
I didn't understand anything.
Really?
Yeah, he spoke too fast.
That's very common.
I just nodded.
Even though you didn't understand?
Yeah,
That's a big problem.
I know.
Okay, let's stop again. Imagine you are Mark. Your boss explains something, but you don't understand. What would you say?
I don't know.
That's normal. So here's the sentence. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Oh, sorry, I didn't understand.
Perfect. Very important.
Yeah, I need this.
Now another way. Could you explain that again?
Oh, could you explain that again?
Perfect. More polite.
Yeah, I like this one.
Now full situation.
Okay.
Please prepare this report.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Let me explain again.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's continue.
Okay.
You understand a little,
Yes,
but not everything.
that's exactly what happened.
So you ask more.
Okay.
You say this. What should I do first?
Oh, what should I do first?
Perfect. Very useful.
Yeah, very clear.
Now try.
Okay. What should I do first?
Start with this document.
Oh, okay.
Now add another question. When should I finish it?
Oh, when should I finish it?
Perfect. Very important at work. Full situation.
Okay, sorry, could you explain that again?
Yes.
What should I do first?
Start with this.
When should I finish it?
Today.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
You start working,
Yes.
but you are not sure.
Oh,
You think you might be wrong.
that's stressful.
Yes. So you confirm. You say this. Is this correct?
Oh, is this correct?
Perfect. Very useful.
Yeah, I like this.
Now try.
Okay, is this correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, good.
Perfect. Or you can say, am I doing this right?
Oh, am I doing this right?
Perfect. Very natural. Now let's add pressure.
Pressure again.
Yes, you are working,
Okay.
and your boss comes back.
Oh no.
So what do you say? Just keep it simple. It's going well.
Oh, it's going well.
Perfect. Or, I'm still working on it.
Oh, I'm still working on it.
Very good. Now full situation.
Okay.
How is it going?
I'm still working on it.
Okay.
Am I doing this right?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Perfect. That is real-life English. Now, Mark, let's continue your first day.
Okay.
You started working,
Yes?
but something went wrong.
Oh no.
What happened?
I made a mistake.
That's normal.
But I didn't know what to say.
That's the problem. Okay, stop here. Imagine you made a mistake at work. What would you say?
I don't know.
That's normal. So say this. Sorry, I made a mistake.
Oh, sorry, I made a mistake.
Perfect. Simple and honest. Now add one more. I'll fix it.
Oh, I'll fix it.
Perfect. Full situation.
Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. I'll fix it.
That's okay.
Oh, good.
Perfect. Now let's continue.
Okay.
You need help,
Yes,
but you don't want to bother others.
exactly.
So what do you say?
You
say this. Can you help me with this?
Oh, can you help me with this?
Perfect. Very natural. Or more polite, could you help me with this?
Oh, could you help me with this?
Perfect. Full situation.
Okay, sorry, could you help me with this?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
Your coworker explains something,
Yes.
but they speak fast.
Oh no.
So what do you say? You say this. Could you speak more slowly?
Oh, could you speak more slowly?
Perfect. Very useful. Or, can you say that again?
Oh, can you say that again?
Perfect. Now let's add multitasking.
Okay.
You are working,
Yes.
and someone asks you something.
That happens a lot.
So what do you say? You say this. Give me a second. I'm working on this.
Oh, give me a second. I'm working on this.
Perfect. Very real. Full situation.
Okay.
Mark, can you help me?
Give me a second. I'm working on this.
Okay.
I'm ready now.
Perfect. Now let's combine everything.
Okay.
Real first day situation.
All right.
How is it going?
I'm still working on it.
Okay.
Sorry, I made a mistake.
That's okay.
I'll fix it.
Good.
Sorry, could you help me with this?
Sure.
Can you say that again?
Of course.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Give me a second. I'm working on this. Perfect. That is real life English. Now, Mark, how do you feel?
Honestly, much better.
Why?
Because now I can communicate at work.
Exactly.
Before, I was confused and quiet.
And now?
Now I can ask questions, understand tasks, and fix my mistakes.
That's the goal. You don't need perfect English, you need clear communication.
Yeah, simple sentences help a lot. Exactly.
So tell me, what do you say when you don't understand?
Easy. Could you explain that again?
Good. When you need help?
Could you help me with this?
Perfect. When you finish work?
I just finished it.
Excellent. That is real life English. Yeah, I feel ready now.
Good.
Keep practicing every day,
I will.
and you will improve step by step.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.